Hey all, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the same stocks that we spoke about in genomics as of yesterday and see where they are progressing with regard to our understanding of how the technicals point them. So we're going to talk about companies like CRISPR, Bluebird, and a few others where we can see some trends. Let's get started. Welcome back. What you see here is the TradingView platform, and each of the candle is a one-day candle. So first, let's look at PACB, which is gaining strongly, and the MACD is looking strong. There is plenty of room on the RSI. So at $1.66, PACB looks cheap, and the possibility that the rate cuts are more imminent because of the economic data, I think, is weighing in on the genomic sector in a positive manner. So PACB is likely to pick up more as the day goes by. That's my personal opinion. And next, let's look at Allogene, which also has gains. So across the board, you will see a lot of gains. Now we'll go to Prime, where we had done some kind of a prediction. We had said we have got a bullish divergence out here because the price is falling sharply, whereas the RSI line has not fallen as sharply. So you can see already that a correction is being attempted. This morning it opened higher. So in this kind of a situation, the price has to go higher. But the price chart out here is defying that expectation I had, and the price has actually gone down. I'm just going to adjust this line out here a little bit. So at the end of the day, what we are looking for is an alignment of the line on the price and the line on the RSI, so that they're all both having the same kind of slope approximately. And in order to make that happen, I'm expecting that the price will go up until these two lines are aligned. So that's what I am looking forward to. Now let's look at Caribou Biosciences, where also we made a prediction that it has got a bullish divergence, and it is coming out right. Yesterday we had the line on the price out here. Today's price has opened up much higher than yesterday, and it's trying to align to this. But also this line has also moved up, and I'm going to readjust this. And we still have got a bullish divergence, even though it is a bit minor, but it's not as strong as yesterday, but the alignment process is taking place. And once the alignment is complete, anything can happen after that. So I think there is still more gain left for Caribou Biosciences for tomorrow. The MACD is also looking very strong. Momentum is just about above average. Things are looking good for Caribou. Next, let us look at Intelia. It's still making its progress towards the price target of 28.53, 3 consecutive days of gains. So we're looking forward to that. In the third attempt, at least, it will be able to meet the price target of 28.69. The MACD is looking pretty good out here, and the momentum is also strong with a little more to go before it is overbought. So I'm happy about that. In case of Beam Therapeutics, we are still racing towards the price target of 27.61. Today also there was a gain, but there's a bit of indecision out here. We are getting a doji candle out here, which is not something that I'm liking that much. But the MACD is still solid green, showing that it's moving away from the signal line in a bullish manner. Momentum is also high, above average, and there is a little more room before it touches 70% on the RSI. So I think Beam also has got some more room to grow. Again, as I mentioned, the benign inflation data probably is giving a little bit of bullish support to our genomic stocks. Next, I would like to look at Editas, where we had said that we have a bullish divergence. Now, if you look very closely at the chart out here, this line is going to go up a little bit because the RSI has gone up. And likewise, today we have seen a shift because we opened higher and we came down, and we are still above yesterday's closing. So there is a realignment process going on out here, and I'm expecting this realignment to happen by the price going up rather than the momentum going down. MACD is also strong, plenty of room on the RSI. Editas is looking good in my opinion. Then Bluebird Bio again is attempting the same kind of realignment. I have to move the line up here because we have gone all the way to 70%. So on the RSI, Bluebird is getting overbought, and I'm also adjusting this price line out here. So at this point of time, I think that a little more gain is there for Bluebird. I'm feeling pretty sure that it may challenge 1.32. Right now it's at 1.18. If that happens, I think we would have taken care of the bullish divergence, and after that, let us hope something good happens out there. Bluebird is also expected to report on 6th of August, so that day is also nearing closer, so that could also be another catalyst. And ArcG we were seeing for the whole genomics industry, and we had said that we have got bullish divergence. I'm just going to adjust this a little bit, fine tune it. We are seeing that the price attempt to go up, and I'm thinking that there is more juice left in ArcG to go up. We still have the bullish divergence, and MACD is also bullish, and momentum is also above average, so there is plenty of room on the RSI before it gets overbought. So I'm thinking ArcG is also going to gain further. That said, I want to look at Illumina, and in Illumina we can see that the bullish divergence is still there. It's mild, but the MACD is strong, and the momentum is also above average, but it's just taking a bit of a respite now after having touched the overbought status. So it may consolidate a little bit before moving up further. And next, I would like to look at CRISPR Therapeutics, where the bullish divergence is still there, and our price is consolidating, and I'm hoping that tomorrow it will try to make a break. Right now it still has got support at 56.36. MACD is still bullish and moving away from the signal line. Momentum is also above average, so hoping for the best out here. And I'm going to just quickly look at Altimmune, where we had a price target of 9.07, and we are moving towards that price target. And if you look at the bullish divergence, it's getting resolved slowly and steadily. Our price line has reduced its slope further, and our RSI line is also becoming a bit more flatter. So the realignment process is taking place. I'm still looking at a price target of 9.07 or something like that for Altimmune. So friends, that's what I have for you today. These are my personal opinion, not financial advice. I think that the fact that we got benign reports on inflation is going to further strengthen the market's expectation that there's a rate cut due in September. And when the first rate cut happens, it kind of signals further rate cuts to come and moving in a direction of cuts rather than having a doubt whether rates would go up. So that also adds a bit of a catalyst to the stock market, and this in advance starts working on bonds, and the yields start going down, and overall that gives a bit of bullishness to the stock market. So that's the way I look at the markets today, and I would like to get your feedback. What do you think about this? Do you like this new segment that I'm doing? And what are your thoughts about the companies that I spoke about? Please put that all in the comments. Let's have some interaction. I'll catch up with you again in the next video.